Hey everyone, welcome back. Today was my first day at the office, and honestly, I was very nervous.
Hi. Are you Sam?
My heart was beating fast. When I reached the office,
Relax. You look a little nervous. It's okay. First days are always like this.
my hands were shaking. I didn't know what to say.
You don't need perfect English. Just speak slowly. And be confident.
I was thinking, what if I say something wrong? What if people don't understand my English?
You can say simple things. This is my first day. I am a little nervous.
At that moment, I felt very lost.
Can you help me? See? It's easy.
Then suddenly, someone came towards me.
Of course. I'll help you. Don't worry. You're doing fine.
She looked calm and very confident, and I said, "Yes, I am Sam." I told her honestly. This is my first day, and my English is not very good. I thought maybe she would judge me, but she didn't, and that changed everything. Slowly, my fear started going down. I took a deep breath, and I tried to speak. "Can you help me?" That one sentence felt like a big step for me. After that, I felt a little confident.
Just stay positive.
By the end of the day, I was still nervous, but also a little proud, because I tried, and I didn't give up. And maybe that's what really matters. See you in the next episode.